her sister Snowfur, serene. The darkness grew in Thistleclaw's gaze, a hunger born of violent ways. The stolen moments by the stream, a river clan love, a waking dream. With oak hard bold, a bond was made, a secret love, a price she paid. 3 tiny kids, a hidden joy, but ambition's path can life destroy. Thistleclaw's rise, a future dread. The words of StarClan filled her head. To save her clan, a choice must be between her kicks and destiny. Through biting snow, a lonely trek, a mother's heart about to break. She gave them up to Oakheart's care, a sacrifice beyond compare. The tiny musket, frail and small, answered winter's freezing call. A whispered name, a silent tear, a grief she'd carry year by year. Bluefur walked a path alone, her secret sorrow turned to stone. She climbed the ranks, her gaze intense. Deputy, now her life commenced. To serve her clan, protect, defend, until Sunstar's journey met its end. With 9 lives granted, leader's might, she stood as Blue Star, burning bright. Like fire, the troubled prophet sighed. You'll blaze a path where shadows hide. Through forest green, your light will pour. To save the clan you must adore. But listen close, heed what I say. Beware the water, come what may. For even fire, bright and bold, can be consumed by water cold. Blue Star leads with wisdom deep, but hidden wounds, the secret sleep. The pride must see a guiding star and a warning